Hello, welcome back. Today I would like to make a video for those of you that having issues unable to verify apps, especially on the latest version. I am currently on my iPhone SE, which is running on 14.3. I know that many of you must having these issues, especially when you install the app from third-party app store. So now I'm gonna show you how you can fix it. And as you can see on my iPhone SE right here, it is currently on 14.3 and it is a beta version, and you can see I cannot access to all of the app that I installed. Now let me show you how to fix it. So first you're gonna go to settings and make sure you back up your device, because this process we need to erase all content and setting, which means that it is going to delete all of the apps and data on your phone. So to preserve your data you need to back up, and the easiest way without a computer, you can just back up using your iCloud from your Apple ID. Now in order to back up, just simply go to your Apple ID in setting, then go to iCloud, scroll all the way down, you're gonna find iCloud Backup. Go to iCloud Backup and make sure you turn it on, and lastly click on Backup Now. And it may take a while depend on your app and your data. So if you have big data, it is going to be take quite some time, but if you have small data, it doesn't take a long time. So make sure you connect to the internet as well while you are doing backup. So I'm gonna skip this process as I demonstrate you, so I'm gonna cancel it. Let's say after you backup, you're gonna go back, and then you need to sign out your iCloud and enter your Apple ID passcode. Now hit on sign out again. After you have signed out, just scroll down, then go to general, scroll all the way down, go to reset, and then you need to click on erase all content and settings. I can simply hit on that, hit on erase iPhone, erase one more time, and now it is doing its process, and it take about 2 to 3 minutes depend on your phone. Now we are going to the setup screen, and I'm gonna speed this up so you don't have to wait. With apps and data, so when you are standing on this page, make sure you click on restore from iCloud Backup. This is the reason that we back up before. After you set up, so you need to restore from iCloud Backup to import your data and your apps and your data on your phone back to your phone. But I don't need to do that because I don't want to transfer app and data, so it is going to be clean. So I'm gonna click on this button. Now we are going back to the home screen, so let's install the app one more time and see if it works. So I can just go to Safari, and then I'm gonna go to the store. So I'm gonna try to install app from this store, so I can click on get this one. When you see the profile pop up, just hit on allow, and then you're gonna go back to settings, and on the top you're gonna see profile downloaded, and for some reason if you don't see, just go to general, scroll down and click on profile and hit on the profile here, hit on install again. Now it is done. I can go back to my home screen. You're gonna see the store. So I'm gonna try to install the app. Let's say that I want to install Dolphin. I can click on it, click on install, and you're gonna see the pop-up install again. Now go back to your home screen. Now Dolphin iOS has been installed on my device, and if you click and see untrusted enterprise developer, don't worry about this one. So in order to open it, and you can just go to setting, then you're gonna go back to general, scroll down and click on profile and device management. Then you can just simply hit on trust again, and you should be able to launch Dolphin iOS. And you can see it launched perfectly fine, and you can see the app, and now it doesn't say verify app. And thanks for watching. I hope this video will help you. Then I will see you guys in the next one.